BrightReturn's Smart Folder has capability to categorize more than 500 forms, invoices, receipts, bank statements, and credit card statements. It does not just categorize, but it also saves the document in the specific folder. To use and to set up the Smart Folder, you need to click on AI setting from the left menu of administration. Once you click on this, you need to click on Smart Folder, and then you need to create a Smart Folder by clicking the plus icon. Here, you need to give the name of the folder. So since I want to save all the IRS form into this folder, my expectation is all IRS form of 2023 should get saved into this folder. And then again, I can decide whether this folder should be readable by my clients or not. In simple language, whether my client should be able to see this folder or not. I don't want this folder to be visible by my client, so I would not check on this box, and I'll click on the next button. And then I'll actually get to see this kind of page where I need to define the condition, which kind of file I want to see in this folder. To define the condition, I get two criteria. One is a file category and second is a year. In file category, I would get three options: equal, not equal, and contents. Equal means I want to see a specific file. Not equal means I don't want to see the specific file. When I select the contents, I can select the multiple file I want to see in this folder. So since I want to see all the IRS form, I would choose the contents and then type the form here and would click on the all. And here you can see all 529 forms have been selected. Now the second condition is these all forms should be from 2023. The second criteria I'll choose is year. And here I'll select equal because I want to choose the year, which is very specific, 2023. And then I click on the submit button. So here you can see this condition has been created. Once the setting is completed, the smart folder would be created and assigned to every client. So you can see under bills client, there is a IRS form 2023 smart folder. So whenever bills will share the file, which will belong to IRS form and 2023 would get auto saved and you would be able to see into this folder. Thank you.